Welcome to Engineering Bench Talk, where we show you how to get started with the latest tech from our manufacturing partners. Spinning a three-phase motor is simple, but making it quiet, efficient, responsive under load, and reliable without external sensors or weeks of trial and error, that's the real challenge. In real-world applications like robotics or HVAC systems, it's all about achieving reliable startup, torque precision, and functional safety without increasing cost or design complexity. That's where field-oriented control, or FOC, is more effective. When combined with sensorless startup, you can eliminate encoders and simplify your design. But without the right tools, setting up all of these can involve complex tuning and code integration. Infineon's ModusToolbox GUI changes that. It handles everything, from motor profiling to control loop adjustment, all through an intuitive interface designed for real-world performance. In this video, we'll walk through the PSOC Control C3M5 complete system motor control kit, step by step, to get you from unboxing to real-world testing. So here's what's inside: the motor control card, a drive adapter board, a 250-watt power board, a USB-A to USB-C cable, a 24-volt BLDC motor, a 24-volt power supply, and a quick start guide. Setup simple. Stack the boards using the adapter and connect the motor to the U, V, and W connectors as shown. Make sure jumper X20 is set to 2 and 3 for the correct input voltage selection, and then plug in the power adapter. Out of the box, it just works. The board comes pre-flashed with sensorless FOC running in three-shunt mode. When you power up, the motor spins clockwise. The speed is controlled with the onboard potentiometer. Press the SW2 button to reverse. The motor stops, then restarts in the opposite direction after adjusting speed. LED 1 shows motor direction. On means clockwise and off means counterclockwise. Install ModusToolbox from Infineon site, along with the industrial MCU pack from additional packages. That installs the ModusToolbox GUI. Flip all SW3 VIP switches to set the correct boot and debug mode. Connect the USB cable to your PC and open ModusToolbox. Then go to PSOC Control C3, select RFO, and start a new project. When you see the green status bar at the bottom of the screen, click Flash Firmware to apply your project settings to the board. This step is required if you made changes or started a new project. Once that's done, open Test Bench. This is where the real control begins. Here you can enable or disable the drive, set the speed using the target set slider, but don't forget to turn off the potentiometer control first, or leave it on if you want to keep using the physical dial. Use the emergency stop to quickly halt or reset the motor and clear the faults. You also get real-time data on voltage, current, faults, and more. For deeper insight, open the oscilloscope view to stream live system performance. The motor profiler is one of the best time savers in the whole suite. It automatically measures motor parameters like resistance, inductance, inertia, and back EMF. It even calculates filter constants. Then, in the PID tuner, you can adjust PI gains for speed, torque, current, even flux and PLL, all in real time. Changes can be applied directly to RAM for testing or saved to flash to persist after reboot. To test under load, we added the motor to a mini conveyor. As we add weight, we'll see the current rise and PID values adapt, confirming that your PID tuning is not just theoretical, it holds up when things get real. Now, let's do something fun. We'll add two external LEDs that indicate motor direction. Just open Eclipse IDE, select the out-of-the-box demo for this board, and add these few lines of code. Now, just flash the updated firmware to the board and watch the LEDs toggle as the motor changes direction. A simple but powerful example of how developer-friendly Infineon's ecosystem really is. To sum it up, the PSOC Control C3M5 kit gets your motor spinning in minutes. The Motor Suite Profiler and PID Tuner make tuning intuitive. ModusToolbox helps you customize Infineon's products quickly, and it's all powered by industrial-grade hardware and developer-friendly tools. Wanna try it yourself? Head over to the link in the description below for full documentation, code, samples, and kit ordering. And don't forget to subscribe for more engineering bench talk.